The secret to a healthy body and a bug-free home is as simple as one bulb of garlic. Hi friends, it's Tracy here. Most people only use garlic for cooking, but today I'll show you two powerful ways to use it that go far beyond the kitchen. One bulb of garlic can naturally keep insects away from your home, and a few cloves of garlic can help your body stay clean, strong, and full of energy. These tricks are simple, safe, and completely natural. Stay with me. You'll be amazed at how one bulb of garlic can make such a big difference. Tip 1. How to use garlic and cloves to repel insects. Have you ever noticed how insects always seem to find their way into the house, no matter how often you clean? Especially during warm and humid days, mosquitoes, cockroaches, and tiny moths can appear out of nowhere. Instead of using harsh chemical sprays, there's a safer and more natural way to protect your home. With just one garlic bulb and a few cloves. Start by taking a whole head of garlic. Don't separate the cloves. It's best to keep it intact. Peel off just a few outer layers of skin, leaving most of it in place. Next, take the cloves and gently insert them into each garlic clove. You don't need to place them too close together, just space them evenly around the bulb. As you press each clove in, you'll notice something interesting. A little garlic juice starts to seep out, and that familiar rich garlic scent fills the air. The secret lies in that very aroma. Cloves contain a natural essential oil called eugenol, known for its strong antibacterial and insect-repelling properties. When combined with the sulfur compounds found in garlic, they create a scent that most insects simply can't stand. This powerful combination doesn't just mask odors. It actively drives away common pests like ants, flies, and cockroaches. At the same time, both ingredients help purify the air naturally, keeping your home feeling fresh and clean without any toxic chemicals. Now that you've created your little insect shield, you can use it around your plants too. Simply place the garlic bulb with inserted cloves into the soil near the plant's base and press it gently into the dirt. As the fragrance slowly spreads through the air and soil, it helps repel insects and worms that might damage the roots. It's like giving your plants a natural layer of protection, without pesticides or chemical sprays. You can also use this as a natural defense inside your home. Try placing the garlic and clove bulb behind doors, especially in the corners of your living room or bedroom, to repel spiders, cockroaches, and even mosquitoes. These pests absolutely hate the strong aroma of garlic and cloves. It's far too pungent for them, so they'll stay away. After a while, you'll notice fewer bugs crawling around, and your home will feel fresher and cleaner. No harsh sprays needed. Don't forget your closets and dark corners. Place one of these bulbs inside your wardrobe, drawers, or behind furniture, anywhere that's humid or where pests tend to hide. And don't worry, the scent won't be too strong for you. It only bothers the insects. This simple method is surprisingly effective. It's natural, inexpensive, and completely safe for your family and pets. Garlic and cloves not only repel insects, but also help purify the air around you. So next time you have a few extra cloves of garlic, don't waste them. Turn them into tiny bodyguards to protect your plants and your home. Try this tip today and let me know in the comments how well it worked for you. You'll be amazed at how something so simple can make your home feel fresher, cleaner, and more peaceful. Tip 2. How to make garlic detox tea for a healthier body. Beyond keeping your home fresh and insect-free, garlic is also considered a true natural medicine that helps cleanse and rejuvenate your body from the inside out through a simple yet powerful detox tea recipe. Start by preparing 3 fresh cloves of garlic. Peel them carefully, trim off the base, and slice them into small pieces. Garlic is rich in allicin, a powerful compound that helps cleanse the liver, improve blood circulation, and reduce inflammation. Once you finish slicing, prepare a medium-sized kettle and add the garlic to it. If you don't have a kettle, you can also use a small pot or teapot on the stove. It works just as well. Add all the chopped garlic to it. Next, take 1 apple, cut it in half, and remove the stem and core. Then slice it into small cubes. Apples contain plenty of pectin, a natural fiber that helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, while adding a pleasant natural sweetness to balance the sharpness of the garlic. Once done, place the apple pieces in the kettle. To add a refreshing aroma, prepare 1 lemon. Cut it in half, and then slice 2 thin pieces from the middle section. That's where the juice and flavor are richest. Then remove the seeds. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system, support digestion, and boost liver function. You'll notice how the fresh citrus scent beautifully blends with the mild sweetness of the apple and the subtle spiciness of the garlic. Next, prepare a small piece of ginger, about the size of your thumb. Peel it and cut it into thin slices. Ginger brings a gentle warmth that soothes the stomach, improves digestion, reduces bloating, and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Finally, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help protect and heal the liver while supporting overall detoxification. When all the ingredients are ready in the kettle, pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Next, place it on the base and select the tea brewing mode. Let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes so the flavors can blend together perfectly. When it's ready, you'll notice a beautiful golden color and a pleasant, soothing aroma. Allow it to cool slightly, then pour yourself a cup. You can enjoy it warm in the morning before breakfast, after lunch, or in the evening to help your body relax. Drink 1 cup 3 times a day for the best results. This natural detox tea helps flush toxins from the liver, strengthen the immune system, improve digestion, and boost energy levels. Garlic cleanses, lemon refreshes, apple balances, ginger soothes, and turmeric heals. Together, they create a perfectly harmonious blend for your body. Try drinking this tea for just 3 days, and you'll start to feel the difference. Your body will feel lighter, your skin will look brighter, and your mind will feel clearer. Sometimes the simplest ingredients hiding right in your kitchen can bring the biggest improvements to your health. So make sure to save this recipe and try it for your family. They'll love how natural and refreshing it feels. Sometimes the best remedies for a healthier body and a peaceful home aren't found in expensive products, but right in your kitchen. Just a few cloves of garlic can cleanse your body, protect your plants, and keep your home fresh and insect-free. So next time you see a bulb of garlic, remember, it's more than just a spice. It's nature's gift for wellness and balance. If you found today's tips helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tracy Tips for more simple, natural ways to care for your home and your health.